2, 1.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, not much, just the usual. How about you?
Same here, just trying to get through the week. Anything exciting happening lately?
Not really, just work and some Netflix. By the way, watched anything interesting lately?
Oh yeah, I started this new series. It's about detectives solving old cases. Pretty cool.
Nice, I need a new show to watch. What's it called?
It's called Cold Justice. You should check it out. So anything new with you?
Well, I tried a new recipe yesterday. Homemade pizza. It was a disaster.
We've all been there. Cooking can be tricky. Did it at least taste okay?
Barely. I think I'll stick to ordering pizza from now on. How about you? Any cooking adventures lately?
Not really. I'm still learning not to burn toast. Anyway, did you hear about Sarah's new job?
No, what's she up to now?
She got a promotion. Now she's the boss of the marketing team. Pretty impressive, right?
Wow, good for her. I need to catch up with her soon and celebrate. Speaking of which, any plans for the weekend?
Just the usual, maybe watch a movie or grab coffee. You?
I might visit my parents. It's been a while since I saw them. Plus, Mom's cooking is unbeatable.
That sounds nice. Family time is always a good idea. By the way, did you see the new cafe downtown?
Yeah, it just opened, right? I've been meaning to check it out. Want to go together this weekend?
Absolutely, that's a plan. Oh, did you get the book I recommended?
Yeah, I started reading it. It's fantastic. Thanks for the suggestion.
No problem, I knew you'd like it. What do you think of the main character?
I love how relatable they are. Makes the story even more interesting. Anyway, have you been to the gym lately?
Sadly, no, I've been slacking off. Need to get back into a routine. You still going to the gym regularly?
Trying to. It's a struggle, but I feel great afterward. Maybe we can motivate each other to go more often.
That's a good idea. We can be workout buddies. By the way, did you see the viral dog video on social media?
Oh, the one doing tricks? That was adorable. I shared it with everyone. Got a good laugh out of it.
Same here, it brightened my day. Speaking of laughs, have you heard any good jokes lately?
Not really. Got any to share?
Okay, here's one. Why don't scientists trust atoms?
I don't know. Why?
Because they make up everything. Classic, right?
Haha, good one. I needed that laugh. So, what's your plan for the rest of the day?
Probably just chill at home. Maybe catch up on some reading or watch another episode of Cold Justice. How about you?
Same here, just some relaxation time. Maybe I'll try another cooking experiment. Hopefully with better results.
Best of luck with that. Let me know if you need any cooking advice. Anyway, it was great catching up with you.
Definitely. Let's plan that cafe visit and workout session. Take care and talk to you soon.
Sounds like a plan. Take care too. Bye.